Amsterdam, the city of timeless canals, vibrant tulip fields, and storied heritage. But in 2025, it's not just a city steeped in history, it's a city that stands as a beacon of modern wonder. While many think of Amsterdam as simply a charming European getaway, in the coming years, it has redefined what it means to seamlessly merge history, sustainability, and innovation. Let's dive into what makes Amsterdam in 2025 such a marvel. First, let's talk about the Amsterdam skyline. No, it's not the skyscrapers of New York or Dubai, but a harmonious mixture of 17th century gabled rooftops and cutting-edge architecture. And at its heart is the marvel everyone is talking about, the floating pavilion district. Amsterdam has always adapted to water, but this newest district is a game changer. Entire neighborhoods are now built on floating platforms. Think floating homes, floating farms, even floating parks. They're designed with fully renewable energy systems, turning Amsterdam's relationship with water into a testament of resilience in the face of rising sea levels. Take a sunset stroll on these floating streets, and you'll see why the rest of the world is clamoring for a closer look. But the wonders don't stop at architecture. A short ride over to the city's once bustling Schiphol airport reveals its remarkable transformation. As the world sought sustainable modes of transportation, Amsterdam stepped up, turning Schiphol into the global hub for electric-powered air travel. Planes powered by biofuel and innovative energy systems now dominate the skies. The airport itself? It's a green masterpiece, a building that consumes net zero energy while hosting one of the most tranquil urban forests inside its terminal. Travelers can unwind among acres of lush greenery before boarding their flights. This is aviation done the Amsterdam way: sustainable, beautiful, and forward-thinking. Now let's cruise back through the heart of the city, along those iconic canals. The water, renowned for reflecting Amsterdam's picturesque streetscapes, is now more pristine than ever. The reason? Autonomous canal cleaning boats, a technology that has cleaned up waterways and given marine life a chance to thrive again. From the boat taxis to the electric-powered houseboats, the canals into 2025 are no longer just a postcard-perfect backdrop. They're the arteries of a modernized eco-city. And what wonder is complete without art? In 2025, Amsterdam has hardened its place as the cultural capital of Europe. At the newly expanded Rijksmuseum, masterpieces of the Dutch Golden Age now sit alongside revamped digital exhibitions that are unlike anything you've ever seen. Imagine standing face-to-face with an AI-powered Van Gogh that explains his creative process in his own words, or scanning a QR code beside Rembrandt's Night Watch to unlock an augmented reality experience of the painting in motion. Arts and culture in Amsterdam no longer just live in the past, they breathe new life into the future. If art engages the soul, then Amsterdam's culinary revolution delights the senses. The once-loved cafe culture now boasts an exciting injection of modernity. By 2025, vertical urban farms have transformed the city cuisine, growing fresh produce right within restaurants, sometimes even above your head as you dine. Michelin star chefs are hard at work incorporating alternative protein options, from lab-grown Gouda cheese to climate-friendly Dutch bitterballen. And the city's sustainable bars now even serve locally brewed bio-beer, fermented from leftover bread. But what truly makes Amsterdam a wonder isn't what has changed, it's what remains timeless. Bike culture still reigns supreme, with a sprawling network of elevated car-free bike superhighways. The city's love for personal freedom, diversity, and community continues to pulse through its cobblestone streets. Picture this: commuters gliding home to their houseboats at twilight, children playing on carefully preserved squares, while LED installations light up the canals, a public art initiative that conserves energy while painting the city in a kaleidoscope of colors. And if you're wondering about the famed tulip fields just outside the city, they're still there, but now they're emblematic not just of Dutch beauty, but of ingenuity. In 2025, the fields are fitted with cutting-edge irrigation systems and renewable energy networks that make them global leaders in sustainable horticulture. Every spring, a drone-captured nighttime light show over the blooming tulip rows draws visitors by the thousands, blending nature with technology in breathtaking harmony. Finally, let's wrap it all together. What Amsterdam achieves in 2025 is unique. an ability to look forward while staying deeply rooted in its identity. It stands as a reminder that the future doesn't have to erase the past, it can enhance it. Every canal, cobbled street, and cafe whispers, we've endured, we've innovated, and we've stayed true to ourselves. In a world hurtling toward uncertainty, Amsterdam remains both a grounding force and an inspiration. So whether you seek history, innovation, beauty, or the sheer joy of discovery, come see the wonders of Amsterdam in 2025. It's a city that wears the past like a crown and embraces the future with open arms. To visit Amsterdam is to step into a place where the exceptional is simply a way of life. What wonder will you uncover first?